Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Trello for team collaboration, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type Trello into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Trello website link. Once the site loads, locate the sign up button. If you already have an account, click login instead. For new users, choose a sign up method. You can sign up with an email address or use Google or Microsoft accounts. If you opt for email, fill in your email and create a password. After that, click on the Create New Account button. Check your email for a verification link from Trello. Open it and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Trello site and log in. Upon logging in, you will see the Trello dashboard. To create a team, click on your initials or profile icon in the top right corner. Select Create Team from the drop-down menu. Fill in the team name and choose the visibility setting. You can select Private, Workspace Visible, or Public. Next, click the Create Team button to finalize. Now, it's time to add members to your team. Click on the Invite button on your team page. Enter the email addresses of team members you wish to invite. After that, click Send Invitation to invite them. Once your team is set up, it's time to create a board. From the dashboard, click the Create New Board button. Give your board a name and choose a background color if desired. Set the visibility for this board the same way you set for the team. Click Create Board to proceed. You will now see a blank board interface. To organize tasks, create lists by clicking the Add a List button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.